Good evening, everyone. It is January the 20th, 2020. It is 5:30. This is your evening earthquake report. Alright, now I've got a few surprise ones in here for you, like Texas, Tennessee, Idaho, but they all came in the order in which I received them, okay? So, sorry, that's the way it's going to go down. Alright, first one up, 3.2, Western Texas. They had it 42 miles west of Milton at 3 miles in depth. Now, EMSC had it as a 3.2 Western Texas, 46 miles south of Loving at 3.1 miles in depth. Both links description box. There was a 3.0 near the north coast of Papua, Indonesia at 24.2 miles in depth. A 3.4 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. This one came across on the USGS and the EMSC. There was a 4.8 Panama. They've got it 32 miles southwest of JAQUE. EMSC has got it 24 miles west of JAQUE. EMSC's got it at 6 miles in depth. EMSC has got 1.2 miles in depth. A 3.1 Azerbaijan, and that came in at 26.1 miles in depth. Now, USGS posted a 3.6 Tennessee, upgraded that to a 3.8 Tennessee. 1 mile east of Fincastle at 22 miles in depth. Now, EMSC had it at a 3.8, never upgraded it, never downgraded. They left it right where it was at. And they've got it 1 mile east of Fincastle at 9.9 miles in depth. Both links in the description box. There was a 3.5 Philippine Islands region. They've got it at 7.4 miles in depth. A 3.0 Dominican Republic at 6.2 miles in depth. And this one came across on the USGS and the EMSC. They both have it the same location and the same depth. The 4.0 Puerto Rico, 7 miles south of Tabello at 6.2 miles in depth. Both links, description box. There was a 4.2 Oaxaca, Mexico at 1.8 miles in depth. A 3.6 off the shore of El Salvador at 41.6 miles in depth. A 3.8 Kuril Islands region. That came in at 62.1 mile in depth. A 3.1 Straits of Gibraltar. That came in at 12.4 miles in depth. A 4.0 Minahasa, Indonesia at 97.5 miles in depth. Here comes the one from Idaho. USGS says it was a 3.4 Southern Idaho. They've got it 9 miles west-northwest of Soda Springs at 3.1 miles in depth. EMSC has it as a 3.4 Idaho, 10 miles northwest of Soda Springs at 3.1 mile in depth. Alright, that is your earthquake report for the evening. God bless each and every one. Please be safe out there. Alright? Stay warm. This cold front is just murder today. I have been freezing all day long. You have yourself a great evening. Sending much love. God bless. 2 thumbs up. Be safe.